Guess what time it is? It's Eureka time! Hello, boys and girls. Today is January 28th, 2021, and today we're going to be doing Lesson 5. Our objective says I can identify 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, and 1 less than a 2-digit number. So let's get started. Our key points. What do we need to know? Well, we need to know what a digit is. And a digit is just another word for number. So for example, 24, the digits are 2 and 4. We also are going to learn what quick tens and ones are if you don't already know, which is just a quick drawing for our tens and ones. And we also need to know what more is or less. Remember, more means you're adding more to your picture, and less means you're taking away from your picture. This all still goes to review what we've been reviewing, which is place value, the value of each digit in a number. How are we going to be successful today? Well, first, we're going to underline our starting number. 2, we're going to circle the strategy you will use. And 3, you will draw more or cross off to show less. Let's get started. I need you sitting tall and you're listening. You're not drawing anything on your whiteboard yet. Listen, when we drew this Reckon Rick bracelet stretched out, we called it a... Do you remember when we used to draw the circles and then draw a line if they were 10? We called this drawing in a 5-group column. Well, today we're going to add to that learning. Look at my picture. How many beads are there? Get ready. Yes, we have 14 beads. Now, I am going to show you a trick. Are you ready? First, tell me an addition sentence that represents how many beads there are, starting with 10. Get ready. You should have said 10 plus 4 equals 14. Now, I am going to draw this as 5-group columns. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew. Now, drawing 17 beads takes us quite a while. Let me show you a shortcut to drawing tens. So instead of drawing all these beads, we could just draw a stick to represent our tens. So 1 10 and just 4 ones. So here we have the number 14 using quick tens. So we call each of this line a quick 10. How do we call each of these lines? Get ready. Yes, a quick 10. It's a line that holds 10 beads, but it represents a 10. So we don't have to draw all those beads instead, and we could draw our math pictures more efficiently. Ready? It's your turn to practice drawing a quick 10. Get your whiteboards ready. How many beads are there now? Before you draw them, let's count. We know there's 10 in each row, so let's start by counting by tens. Get ready. 10, 20, 30. Now let's count by ones. What's after 30? 31, 32, 33, 34. How many beads are there now? Get ready. Yes, 34. Show me how you would draw 34 using quick tens and ones. Press play when ready. Now let's see if your picture matches mine. Since we have 3 groups of 10, I would draw 1, 2, 3. 3 quick tens, and I would draw 4 circles to show my ones. Does your picture match mine? I hope it does. So this is the way we would draw 34 using quick tens and ones. Now, let's get ready to practice something else. Listen, you're going to listen and I'm going to model, okay? And then you will practice. Let's get ready. Draw 15. How many tens and ones are there? Get ready. 1 10, 5 ones. Yes, so I'm going to draw 1 10 using my quick tens and 5 ones. 3, 4, 5. So this is how we draw. Remember that you're still listening. You should not be writing. Look at my two place value charts. So this is what we need to do. It says, show me one more than 15. If you look back at our key points, key point number 1 says to underline our starting number. Well, let me change my color so that we underline it. What's my starting number? What's the number we started with? Get ready. Yes, 15. So this, I'm going to underline it. And then it says, our second key point says to circle the strategy we're using. And you say, well, Ms. Gomez, what's the strategy? Well, this would be our strategy. We need to show one more. What is our strategy? Get ready. Yes, one more. So now we put our starting number in the first place value chart, which is 15. And it says to draw one more. So do we add to our picture or do we cross off? Get ready. Yes, we add. Remember, because we're adding more. So I'm going to draw one more. And I'm only adding a 1 because we're only adding one more. So now, how many tens do we have? Get ready. Yes, we still have 1 10. How many ones do we have? Get ready. Yes, 6 ones. So now look at both of my place value charts. What changed and what didn't in our place value charts? Well, I know that our tens stayed the same, but our ones changed. Do you notice we started with 5 and now we ended with 6 ones? Because we added one more only. Let's try another one. So let's draw 15 again. Ready? Now you draw it on your whiteboard. So remember, we draw one quick 10 and 5 ones because 15 has 1 10 and 5 ones. Can you show me 10 more than 15? If you had your paper, but since you don't, you're just going to do this part. You're just going to listen to this part. So we underline our starting number. What's my starting number? I'm going to read it again. 10 more than 15. What number did we start with? Get ready. Yes, 15. So this is our starting number because that's the picture we drew first. That's the picture I put in the chart. Don't do anything yet. Now, help me circle our strategy. What strategy are we using? Get ready. Yes, the strategy is 10 more. So now we either have to draw more or cross off to show less. So it says 10 more. So are we drawing more or crossing off? Get ready. Yes, we have to draw more, but now we got to think about this. Are we going to draw 10 more circles or what could we draw instead of 10 more circles? Get ready. Yes, a quick 10 or a stick to show another group of 10 since we're adding 10 more. So now look at your picture. How many 10s do we have now? Get ready. Yes, 2 10s. Remember to name the unit. How many ones? Get ready. Yes, 5 ones. Very good. So look at our charts now. Notice what changed. What changed this time? Our tens or our ones? Get ready. Yes, our tens, right? We started with 1 10 and now we have 2. Did our ones change this time? Get ready. No, they did not change, right? Because this time we added 10 more instead of just 1 more. So I would put an arrow here and write plus 10 to show that we added 10 more. Great job. Let's continue to practice. Draw 35. Press play when ready. Let's see if your picture matches mine. So you should have drawn 3 quick tens and 5 ones. So how many tens and ones are there? Get ready. Yes, 3 tens and 5 ones. Now I'm going to read what we're supposed to do. Your markers are parked. It says, show me 1 less than 35. What is our starting number? What number did we start with? Get ready. Yes, 35. So I would write that in my chart. You're still not doing anything. And we circle the strategy. What strategy are we using? Get ready. Yes, 1 less. Ooh, this is different. So how can we show 1 less? Do we add more or do we cross off? Get ready. Yes, we have to cross off to show less. But how many less? Do we cross off a 10 or a 1? Get ready? Yes, a 1. So now I'm going to get a different color so that you could see how I crossed off. Cross off 1 in your picture. So now, how many 10s do I have? Get ready. Yes, I still have 3 10s. How many 1s do I have now? Get ready. Yes, 4 1s. And now I can make an arrow. Sorry about that. You're watching this part. And what do I put at the top? Since I did less, do I put a plus or a minus? I should put a -1 because I took away 1 less. So look at what changed now. What changed? Our 10s or our 1s? Get ready. Yes, our 1s. So when we took 1 less away, our 1s changed and our 10s stayed the same. Awesome job, scholars. Let's practice one more. Everyone, draw 14. Press play when ready. So here, let's see if your picture matches mine. I am drawing 1 10 and 4 1s. Now I'm going to read you what we're going to do. It says, show me 10 less than 14. Markers are still parked. What is our starting number? What number did we start with? Get ready. Yes, 14. So I'm going to underline that and put 14 in my place value chart. Now, what strategy are we using? Get ready. Yes, 10 less. So we have to circle that. So to show 10 less, do we add more to our picture or do we cross off? Get ready. Yes, we're going to have to cross off. But now, do we cross off a 10 or a 1? Get ready. Yes, we have to cross off a 10. Let me get another color. Go ahead and cross it off on your whiteboard. And I'm crossing off 1 10. Now, help me fill in my other place value chart to show the change. How many 10s do I have now? Get ready. 0. Yes, I don't have any 10s anymore. And how many 1s? Get ready. Yes, 4 ones. Now on the arrow, I am going to write minus, sorry about that, because it was less. Remember, we crossed off, so minus 10. To show that we took off 10 from 14, we took off 10, and now we only have 4 left. Notice what changed? Our 10s were the ones that changed, and our 1s stayed the same because we took off a minus 10. So we will get to be practicing more of this during our live session. Have your Module 4 Learn book ready. Open to Lesson 5. See you then.